Production of metals from aluminum to steel has been spluttering for months as power curbs have intensified across key industrial provinces. Now factories producing high-end goods are starting to feel the pinch too, creating burgeoning risks to the nation's economic growth. What's worse, the energy crunch is spreading to a sector that alarms Beijing the most: food. Ensuring that China's 1.4 billion people have enough to eat is a top national priority, and yet the power shortage has forced soybean processors in northern regions to shut and sent fertilizer prices soaring. Some soy plants operated by Louis Dreyfus Company, Bunge Limited and Wilmer International Limited's Yihai Carry unit are among those affected. So far, the impact has been cushioned by weak demand for soybean meal used in animal feed due to a slump in pork prices. However, if plants remain halted, it could delay soybean purchases by the largest buyer and crimp U.S. exports. China is set for a difficult harvest season as a severe energy crunch hurts the outlook for booming production, a development that risks triggering a renewed surge in world agriculture and food prices. Autumn harvest in the top agricultural producer is underway, just as the world's number 2 economy faces power shortages in industrial hubs that threaten to slow growth. Among the worst hit are northeastern provinces such as Jilin, Liaoning and Heilongjiang, where about half of China's corn and soybeans are grown. The crisis is stoking concern that China will have a tough time handling crops from corn to soy to peanuts and cotton this year,